What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? Back to the channel. Whatever. Welcome back. Let's do a cold startup. Been at work all day. Took an extra hour for lunch. See how it sounds. And this is after cleaning the MAF sensor. If anybody does know, this check engine oil soon light keep popping on after oil change, but I can't get into the info or whatever it's called to change it around and get it back working right. So here because I want y'all to see my TAC or RPMs. I need to clean my screen. So it's not necessarily fluctuating as much as it was for sure. Okay, there you see. I see a little. But earlier, last time I did a video, it stayed right at that line that it's dropping down to, and it did sit there pretty nice. Depending on, let me see, here go air conditioner. Conditioner off. See, it's just a little bit, it's moving just a little. Let's get a little rev. It's definitely doing a lot better than it was before I sprayed the MAF sensor cleaner. It was up and down, like it's pretty steady. I'm not even gonna lie, that's as steady as it's ever been. It's not even jumping past the 1, but just still, it's not touching the 1. Still a little space. It was barely moving. So we gonna continue to work on that. I saw where it's the that could possibly be the oil pressure sensor, and that's under the exhaust manifold in the back, intake manifold. But it's pretty sturdy, a lot better than it was. Keep going. But yeah, startup on code 2013 through 2015 Chevy Malibu. Thanks for watching.